What's up, guys? Adel here with Traders Brawl in collaboration with Web3 TV on day 2 of the Global Blockchain Congress by Agora. I'm here with a special guest, Bilal Ahmed Mir. Bilal, how are you doing today?
Great. This is a fantastic event. We're at a wonderful time of the year here in Dubai. So it's fantastic. Second day here. It's been a brilliant event so far.
Yeah, awesome. I'm really glad. I keep seeing you at events as well, so it's great to reconnect. What are you looking to achieve at this event today?
Well, I'm looking to find interesting blockchain crypto companies to invest in. You know, as the CEO of Carter Capital, a digital asset management company, we invest in mostly listed blockchain and digital assets, but we're developing into the private market side as well now. So we are supporting and incubating 2 sustainability projects at the moment, and very open to seeing what else is going on. And as you know, this space, it's amazing. The innovation, the entrepreneurship that we see in this space is almost unparalleled.
Absolutely, I think so. I think lots of countries actually come here to Dubai, relocate, migrate for the friendliness, the crypto friendliness that they have, alongside the friendly corporate tax structures that we have here. It's a great thing. So for Carter Capital, and speaking about Carter Capital, do you only invest in crypto, or are you diversified across non-crypto assets as well?
We are diversified across a variety of sectors within the blockchain and digital asset space. So in our portfolio, we have a lot of DeFi and gaming assets, and we're now moving into the tokenization of real-world assets as well, which I think is going to be a brilliant USP and feature of blockchain in the years to come. Speaking of why this place, Dubai, is such a brilliant home for blockchain projects and entrepreneurs, you missed the best thing. Look outside, middle of December, 25 degrees, blue skies, waterside location. Right. What's not to like about being here?
Right. The weather does also bring a lot of attraction here, alongside the investment side. But yes, you're absolutely right. And I think back to Carter Capital. Since you're quite diversified, that's great. What happens when do you find yourself that Bitcoin seems to still be king, and it remains a challenge to be diversified when you're all in blockchain space?
Yeah, I mean that's a very good question. As someone that manages large listed digital asset portfolios, BTC is something we have to pay very much attention to. It is still the king, the alpha digital asset. You know all about BTC dominance and the percentages that go up and down as the market fluctuates. Generally speaking, when the market is very strong, a situation that we're now encountering and starting to see in the coming months, BTC dominance will come down, meaning the percentage of market cap, total crypto market cap of BTC comes down when compared to the rest. Why is this? It's because altcoins, new projects, developing protocols become more popular and grow in market cap. BTC will grow as well. It's reached a peak of just over $2 trillion alone. But other projects and blockchains will grow much faster than BTC. When the market is weaker, as we saw in 2022 and the early parts of 2023, BTC dominance grows. Why is that? Because it's still the strongest, oldest, and most popular blockchain.
Indeed. And are we seeing this transition yet, or is it still remaining to come? And secondly, are we already in a bull market?
I think we are in a bull market. The signs there are multi signs why we are in a bull market. Firstly, just look at price reaction. BTC is up 125% this year. Other blue chip, large cap listed digital assets are up even thousands of percent this year. And the reasons for that are the following. It's dominated by liquidity. We are seeing liquidity enter back into risk markets and asset markets. Interest rates are starting to peak and topple over in the US and other developed markets. We're seeing money market funds reduce in size as capital re-enters risk markets. And the market can foresee. The market is a forward-looking paradigm. It can see 6 months, 12 months into the future. If I ask you, Adel, 12 months from now, December 2024, will interest rates be higher or lower?
Higher.
You think they'll be higher than?
I reckon, yeah.
You reckon that inflation is going to continue to go up?
Yes.
So I actually think the opposite. I think rates will come down. They're starting to topple over. We're seeing the Federal Reserve forecast that rates will be reduced next year. When that happens and money is inserted into the system, risk assets start to fly, including VC. So there are a lot of VCs that I've met today and yesterday that are scrambling around to deploy. Why? Because they can foresee. that strong market conditions will return, and they need to be invested into projects.
Fantastic. No, that's great. That's a great way to, I think, finish this interview. I look forward to the optimism that you have. I think I want to bring that to the audience watching this, and I think now would you say now is a bit late to be investing, or because we're already in the bull market, or is it not too late?
Look, it's never too late. Digital assets is a wonderful space. It's the only place where you can get venture-like returns in a listed mark-to-market asset class. You can buy coins and tokens 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, enter and exit as you wish. And you're seeing multiples on your money. It's a very liquid asset class. So right now is not a bad time to invest. We still have a lot of good times ahead. You know how cryptomania was like in this city in 2021? Get ready for that in 2024.
Final question. What's your price prediction for BTC in 2024? The highest peak.
Upside case, I think 180K.
180K Bitcoin.
Upside case. Mid case, 110, 115. And a low case, 80 to 85. Let me ask you a question, Adel. There's 21 million BTC, as we know, in circulation. Miners are generating BTC. Exchanges hold BTC. Market makers have BTC. But we are now seeing the likes of BlackRock, Fidelity, VanEck enter the BTC space with the ETF, the spot ETF, which is going to be approved next year. Who are they going to buy BTC from? Not me. I'm not going to sell. Miners are not selling. Exchanges need the BTC. Where is this BTC going to come from that ETF providers have to hold? Where is it going to come from? I think the supply-demand dynamics of BTC could surprise a lot of people next year.
Very interesting. We'll leave that for next time and a proper podcast talk show.
I think you and I have something on banks that we're going to be recording and releasing very soon.
Oh yes, we do. We'll keep the audience tuned for that. But we'll end it there. Thank you so much, Bilal, for your insights. Very insightful interview.
Welcome. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adel with Traders Brawl in collaboration with Web3 TV. We'll see you next time. Cheers.